anatomic space, where is the structure? Here. At what area? What is the impression? It's the arch of aorta. Okay. So you have to know about where you get. One you get at 14, one you get at about 24, and one you get at 40. So this is at 24, and that's the arch of aorta. So I think this is also something that you should remember from your anatomy classes. Where else, if this is your esophagus, so if this is your esophagus, what are the three most common areas where you get a constriction? And what is the landmark from where these constrictions they're measured? Okay, so you have one at 14 centimeter, you have one at 24, and then you have one at 40. They're measured from incisors. So what is this, the 14 one? It is the cricopharyngeus muscle, okay? So the 14 is the cricopharyngeus. 24 is, what is 24? 24 is the arch of aorta, very good. And what is 40? Hiatus of diaphragm, okay? So 40 is where it comes, meets your diaphragm. So just know these aortic arcs, they have 24, that is the second most common. You have three natural sites of opening. One is the cricopharyngeus, that is at 14 centimeter from the incisor. Then at 24, you have the arch of aorta, and then 38 to 40 centimeter, you have the diaphragmatic center. That's all you have to remember. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.